about color selection. You want for your program to select a color. Well, that can be done because we have a widget available for that. It's called color control. Right, and it is of a fixed size. There's nothing you can do to make it bigger or smaller unless you go and write your own from scratch. And here there's a bit of a note. It'll look differently on 8-bit displays than in the displays with 16 or more bits. This should not concern you. The system will take care of it. And also, the color control does not send a message. You have to change it to get what the user has selected with color control get. That can be tricky because how do you know if the user is finished? Maybe he or she, they were still trying to figure out what color to use. Well, let's see what that code looks like. Okay, so and in this program it is quite simply done by continually getting the R, G, and B components, red, green, and blue. So remember, that is important. We don't use CMYK here. We use old-fashioned RGB values. Also, there's no transparency channel involved. So here you can see, you open a window, make a view, and right. Okay, let's run that and see what it looks like. And so you can see that every time you make a change, the little example here is actually going to change as well. And it continually keeps putting these variables into memory so that when you exit that routine, it will actually have it for you to play with. And it's also interesting to see if we go to preferences that, yeah, that's pretty much the same same color selector that we have in the system itself. And that shows you just how deeply YAB is integrated. I think they made this window a little bit too small because these numbers are a bit scrunched up here on the right side. But okay, you can fix that in your own code. Okay, we're flying through these widgets, and I think it's necessary to have a lesson for each one, even if it gets me into January. But of course, the interesting part is when you start tying these widgets together, taking their results, and doing something interesting with it in your own programs. Thanks for watching.